to my channel. Today I'm just finishing this. This is the shower faucet. I just installed already the shower head, and now to hook it up this. Okay, so this is the on and off. Okay, so for this over here, as you can see, all I need to do is just push this thing in. Okay, have this pipe 3 in 1 port and you're good. Okay, so I'll show you how to connect all of this thing one by one. Okay, so let's start with this. So there is an Allen key that you're going to lock later on. Okay, so making sure that it's aligned. So this is the right size. Okay, so this is the right size. Okay, Allen key. So I'm just going to push this one in. Okay, making sure it's all the way. Okay, that's perfect. Now you need to turn this, okay, clockwise on the bottom. That's like almost there. There we go. One more. Okay, that's it. Next is this one. If we don't have the screw for this one, just going to put the screw in here, but this one is short, so we just leave it for this one right now, okay? And this one, we're gonna leave this one like this for now, okay? Alright, so as soon as you put the screw, because this one is short, so I don't know, I can't find it here in the box right now. So that's how it is. How to install, just put this one, the 2 screw, and there's an Allen key for this one to tight. This one is tight already. Put silicone in here later on, and even you want to put silicone in here, even though this one is tight, there's a rubber in here, but if you want to put silicone, it's much more better. But right now I'm gonna leave it like this because I'm missing 1 screw. Okay, thank you for watching.